Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about swept 2D milling operation different type. So friends, first of all we will create an object, solid, block, same as the previous lecture, 100 by 50 and the height is 15 with center origin. Okay, now the view is changed in wireframe. Now create a circle with bottom middle point and the radius value is 30. Okay, now create a line for partition. Okay, now create a rectangle with center point. The dimension is 15 by 5. Here you will see. Okay, now create a circle with this point and the radius value is 5. Okay, now divide. So remove on requirement portion. This one also. Okay. Now click on OK and apply a fillet. The radius value is 2 with this point and this point. Okay, now delete this line. See, I will change the view in shaded and isometric. Okay, so select this portion with dynamic, select the center point and turn it in a front view. Okay, you will see object is ready. Now apply the operation. So first of all select machine, mill, default, and the another step is stock setup. All solid. Okay, stock is ready. So now swept 2D, select your chain and select another chain. Okay, select your start point. Here select your tool. So I will select ball nose tool, 3 diameter and 1.5 corner radius. Okay, now across cut distance is 0.1, stock to leave is 0 and rapid depth is 20. So I will click on OK and we will check this in directly verify selected operation. So I will change the speed and play this operation. You will see the portion is applied same as our object. So friends, you will see here. See, I will change the view in front. See this portion and change the view in top. See. So I will change isometric. You will see our object is perfect. So this is our swept 2D milling operation. Now I will close this, change this view, isometric and fit. Okay. Now in next lecture we will discuss about swept 3D milling operation. Thank you friends.